Hello students, in this video I am discussing about unit quantities, in that unit flow, unit speed, okay, unit flow and unit speed. Okay, so here unit quantities are unit flow, the unit power and unit speed, which are under considerations of unit meter in connection with the hydraulic turbines. Okay, in other words, the unit quantities are defined for the head of 1 meter. Okay, so in that first one is a unit flow. Okay, unit flows, the flows of 1 meter cube per second that occurs through a turbo machine, uh, which is working under a head of 1 meter. Okay, that is QU. Okay, we know that discharge through a turbine is given by Q is equals to area into velocity, right? So since the area of a flow for a turbine is constant, so Q is proportional to velocity, right? So V is equals to, you know that formula, CV into square root of 2gh, right? So here V is proportional to h, then the Q is proportional to square root of h. So Q, removing the proportionality sign, then Q becomes Q is equals to K into square root of h, right? So K is a proportionality constant. So when here by taking h is equals to 1 meter and Q is equals to QU, substituting these conditions for above conditions in above equation, so QU is equals to, it becomes QU is equals to K into square root of 1, right? So then Q is equals to QU into square root of h. Okay, so QU becomes Q divided by square root of h. Okay, this is the formula for unit flow, that is QU. QU is a unit flow which is equals to discharge divided by square root of h. Okay, so the next part is unit speed. Okay, the speed of the turbine working under unit head, okay, that is NU. We know that the peripheral velocity of the vanes is given by U is equal to square root of 2gh, right? So here U is proportional to h. Also U is equals to pi dn divided by 60, right? So U is proportional to square root of h, and also U is equals to pi dn divided by 60. Comparing the above two equations, okay, n is proportional to square root of h, so removing the proportionality sign, n is equals to K into square root of h. So when h is equals to 1 meter, U is equals to UU, substituting these conditions in above equation, so you will get NU is equals to K into square root of 1. So you will get K is equals to NU, so NU becomes n divided by square root of h. Okay, so this is the unit speed, right? Yeah, unit speed. And next we move on to unit power. Okay, the power developed by the turbine working under a unit head, okay, that is PU. We know that overall efficiency of the turbine is given by eta naught is equals to P divided by WQH divided by 1000, right? So P is equals to eta naught into WQH divided by 1000. So here P is proportional to QH. Okay, so P proportional to square root of h into small h. So P is proportional to h raised to 3 by 2. So removing the proportionality sign, so you will get P is equals to K into h raised to 3 by 2. Okay, when h is equals to 1 meter and P is equals to PU, that is unit power, substituting these conditions in above equation, so PU becomes K into 1 raised to 3 by 2, that is K is equals to PU. So PU becomes PU into h raised to 3 by 2. Then the PU becomes, that is unit power, becomes P divided by h raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this is about unit power, unit speed and unit flow. Okay, this is about the unit quantities. Thank you.